Like, yo, can you guys imagine my lips? The thing that I have on my lips, like the product that I have on my lips. Can you imagine it cost me how much? On this channel, all we do is slay on a budget. Slay on a budget. You don't have to break the bank to look good. So, as you have seen from the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you the very budget-friendly makeup drugstore. Budget-friendly drugstore makeup products that you can find at a very affordable prices. So I was doing an IG look. That's why I've done one side and one side of my eye is not done, but not to worry. I want to take you guys through all the steps that I do using drugstore affordable makeup products that everyone can afford, like literally anyone can afford. So yeah, that's why I've done one side of my eye and I left this other side so that we can start with you guys. But then if you're not following me already on Instagram, please go check my IG handle out. I do IGTV videos there weekly. One, I try as much as I can to at least have one IGTV video on there on the other side. So yeah, for those of you who don't follow me on IG already, please go check me out. Go check out the content that I put out there. So yeah, I want to start with this. Eye is not done. I've only done my eyebrows because doing my eyebrows on camera is normally a hassle. So I've only done my eyebrows. I've used the Davis eye pencil, the famous Davis eye pencil number 3 in the shade color number 3. Oh my god, don't mind my nails broke. This eye pencil normally go for 30 shillings at most, 30 Kenyan shillings at most. And then the other thing that I've used for my eyebrows is this LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee. So this is the other item or the other product that I've used for my eyes. And yeah, I've just put the concealer at the back of my hand. I normally enjoy putting stuffs at the back of my hand while doing makeup. I don't know why. So guys, I'm recording on a Sunday. Everybody is around, so if you hear noise, please just bear with me because I don't normally get it each and every time. I'm not just saying this one because of saying, like, each and every time when I want to start recording is when there is noise everywhere. So if you hear noise, try and bear with me. Okay. At this point, I'm applying the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee as a base coat for my eyeshadow. So that is what I'm doing. You can see, guys, I'm tapping the concealer. I'm not doing this. I'm not moving the concealer in this motion. I'm just tapping. The next product that I'm going to use is the Juvias Masquerade eyeshadow palette. You guys saw I bought this one from Jumia. They were having sales, so I decided to take advantage of the sales and I bought myself this eyeshadow palette and I've been loving it so much. So this is what I'm going to use. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use. This eyeshadow palette was going for 800 or 700, and normally it goes for 1500, 2000 there. So yeah. And then another hack, guys, if you're a makeup person, or if you want to start doing your makeup, or you're saving up, you don't have enough money, you can take advantage of the sales that normally go on. Like, always take advantage of the sales. Most of my makeup products, I normally buy them during when the brands are having sales. So you take advantage of those sales, like Maybelline. Yeah, so yeah. So first I'm going to start with this, and yeah, so I'm going in with Zulu. That is the first shade that I'm going to use. This is what I'm doing. You can see. I'm not rubbing the product. Don't rub the product, just tap 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 for better results. Yeah, so as you can see, I've already done the first layer. So next I'm going to go in with what is this? Burkina Faso. Is it Burkina or Burkina? I think it's Burkina. So that is what I'm going to, that is the shade that I'm going to go in with next. It's chocolate, kinda. It's a chocolate shade, if you love chocolate. And then I do this, and then I do this. I think that is enough. So next I'm going to go in with Fulani. Fulani is a black kinda shade, so that is what I'm going to go in with. And then my brush, I normally just wipe off the color that I've used on a towel. So this is what I normally do if I don't want to the color to transfer and I don't want to use it. I just wipe my brush like this. You just take your brush and then you wipe off that shade on a towel. You can use any cloth. So next I'm going to go in with Fulani, still from the same eyeshadow palette, Juvias Masquerade eyeshadow palette. Next I'm going to go in with my concealer again. I'm going to go in again with my concealer and just, this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to do a small cut crease here, you can see. So before it dries up totally, I'm going to go in with the blue. Is it blue? Is this color blue? Zola. If you have the same eyeshadow palette, you can refer. So I'm going in with Zola, just the part that I have put my concealer. I'm just going to go in with Zola, and as you can see, I'm just tapping. Next I'm going to go in with Dahlia. This is Zola and then this is Dahlia, so it's kind of blue, so that is the shade that I'm going to go in with, as you can see. Otherwise, how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing okay. I hope you are trying to cope with corona. I hope you have already like stabilized and just incorporated the new norm. So next I'm going to go in with my mascara, oh my god, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. I bought this one from Huda Beauty in Kenya. Huda, from Huda's store, Huda in Kenya, because there are different Huda Beauties. So this one is from Huda, the same Huda. If you're a Kenyan, you know Huda. So I bought this eyeliner from her. It was going for 300 Kenyan shillings. So guys, after I'm going to go in with my fake lashes. I got this one from Dubois. If you follow me by now, you know like Dubois is bae. Dubois is sweetheart. Dubois is my sweetheart. So as you can see, I've already done one side, so I'm going to go in with this other side. So the glue that I'm using, I also got this one from Huda Beauty Store, Huda Makeup Store in town at Business Center. I'm still not yet there with putting on fake lashes because I never used to like fake lashes that much, so I never really paid attention on them. So right now is when I'm trying to like catch up and try to learn. Okay. Yeah. So the primer that I normally use is the Maybelline primer. So this is the primer that I normally use. Actually, my nails. I got an accident, so don't mind my nails. You're not here for that. Are we? No. I normally mix it with the other one, with this green one. I normally mix the two. So this primer, normally it's 1500. Guys, not to worry, I'll put all the prices and where I got all these products in the description box. And prior to that, I had used the Garnier oil control vanishing cream. This cream is normally 500 Kenyan shillings if I'm not wrong. After, I'm going to go in with my foundation. Again, I normally use Maybelline Superstay Fit Me foundation in the shade 360 or Mocha. It's called Mocha. Yeah, so this is what I normally use. So guys, next I'm going in with my sponge. I am just dampening my sponge. This is pure water and this is my sponge. I bought this sponge from Dubois at 100 Kenyan shillings. So guys, right now as you can see, I'm done blending my foundation. Always remember to do your neck also so that you don't look like you're wearing a mask. Next, I want to go in with a concealer again. So that is what I'm going to use. Next, I'm going to go in with this powder. This is the Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder from Maybelline. Again, this powder goes for 2000 and something, but I bought it while it was on sale. So guys, next I'm going to go in with this eye pencil again that I bought from Dubois. It was going for 50 Kenyan shillings. So that is what I'm going to use for my under eye. So guys, now I want to align my lips using the Davis eye pencil in the shade color number 3. So that is what I'm doing. And then after, I'm going to use this lip gloss. I bought this lip gloss for 50 Kenyan shillings. Imagine, only 50 Kenyan shillings. Romantic May. So that is what I've used, and see. Slaying on a budget. So the next item that I'm going to use, the next product, not item. The next product that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. So this is what I'm going to use. This is what I'm going to use next, and I'll be done. this setting spray, I also got it while it was on sale. It was going for 800 and something from 1500 Kenya shillings. I also got this one from Jumia. So I really took advantage of the sales, and I normally do that for my makeup products. So guys, this is the final look. This is how I look. As you can see, you can see the glow. Can you see the glow? Can you see how do I look? So that's it for this week's video. I hope you have learned something. I hope you'll go check out those products and try, and then tell me how they turn out on you. And yeah, so see you in my next video. Bye, ciao. Remember to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So bye, ciao, mwah, mwah.